Are you sitting at home wondering when will this rain stop? Are you thinking what was sun like? Are you trying to remember the feeling of dry clothes? Are your shoes also filled with mud? Raise your hand if that's you. Worry not. Here are 8 things you can do to enjoy rains. Honestly, I love rains. Everything comes alive when it rains. The sound of water droplets falling on the leaves or roof. The earthy smell is like a scent. You hear frogs and all kinds of insects, and all of them are having fun. But that's fun only for first 2 days. Later, everything becomes annoying AF. The first thing you can do to enjoy rain is sit by the window and sip on some hot beverage. Get a glass or cup or whatever you like and put some chai, coffee, hot chocolate, it's all up to you. Sit by the window, enjoy the rain and the breeze that comes along with it and sip on it and you will feel heavenly. I'm not even kidding. And you can pair it with some snack. So I usually pair my chai with pakoda, which is like a desi combo for barish snack. Some people love coffee and pancakes, but I love chai only during rains, or else I would also prefer coffee. Next thing you can do is wear comfy clothes. We have fabrics for different seasons. For example, when it's winter we wear wool, when it's summer we wear cotton. But same goes for rains. Since we experience summer rain, we can wear cotton clothes which are very much comfy. While wearing a cotton apparel, you can feel the right kind of warmth when it's raining. Next thing you can do is read a thriller book. Imagine the ambience is all set, it's raining outside, it's dark, and the sound of rain is a perfect background music for the book. So I usually read ghost stories when it's raining and they become even more into 10 kinda scary, which is lovely. Also जब बारिश होती है तो बुक्स में से अजीब तरीके की खुशबू आ जाती है, which is very rare. Next thing you can do is get wet in the rain. That's very basic and I love it. I love getting wet in the rain, but considering the situation right now, getting wet in the rain would not be the best idea. But if you're watching when there is no pandemic, everything is normal, go ahead and enjoy. Don't take an umbrella or your raincoat and just, open your hands wide and just look at the sky and let the water droplets fall on your face, and that's the experience, that's the feeling of pure bliss. Next thing what you can do now is take an umbrella and go for a walk. But make sure the rain is not windy, because if it's windy, umbrella का कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. But what you can do is you can wear your raincoat or take an umbrella and go for a walk. Make sure you don't stamp in puddles, because you might not like the feeling of that mud in your shoe. Nobody does. So avoid that and go for a walk. Next thing you can do is, I think many people will love it. Out of 180 people will love this thing, is take a nap. Go to sleep. It's so nice. The atmosphere is perfect. It's not even warm, it's not even cold, it's mild and it's perfect for a nap. Go to bed with your favorite blanket and get some nice sleep. Another thing you can do is invite your friends for some indoor games. Since it's raining outside and you can't go outside until and unless you are a football player and you love playing football in rains, then that's a different thing. You can do that as well. But you can invite your friends home and play some indoor games. There are so many card games or board games. You can give it a try. Currently following the rules of social distancing, you can invite them online. There are so many online games you can play together and have that feeling of togetherness while staying apart. Thank you to the internet. Next thing you can do is plan a monsoon hike. Monsoon hikes are very famous, at least in Mumbai. People in Mumbai go to places like Malshesh Ghat, Raigad Fort, even Tungareshwar. But make sure that you are safe and you have all your equipments very nicely sealed, because it can rain anytime and you don't want your gadgets to get spoiled. So if you're planning a hike, be safe and stay away from people. And actually when you're hiking, you're already away from people. I personally love that. Every monsoon I make sure that I go at least for one monsoon hike. So yeah guys, these are some 8 things you can do. I bet there are more which you can comment in the comment section and give other people some ideas and help each other out. For more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that because I really need it. And like this video, share it with your friends and get something planned, dude. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Annyeong.